Hello and thank you for joining us here at TMTV as we bring you more from the Mid-America Trucking Show. Today we speak with John Lounsbury of Terra Environmental Technologies, who discusses what drivers and fleet managers need to know about DEF use in Canada.
Hello everyone, I'm at the Mid-America Trucking Show with John Lounsbury with Terra Environmental Technologies. And we're going to talk about DEF use in Canada. Obviously, John, SCR is now a reality in the marketplace.
That's true.
DEF is a reality in the marketplace. What would you say are one or two of the most important things that fleet managers and owner-operators in Canada need to know about using DEF in the months and the years to come?
Well, I think the most important thing is really quality. The quality issue of this product. It is urea, but the quality impacts the vehicle, and companies like Terra Environmental Technologies, they're integrated all the way into production. In fact, one of our largest production sites in Courtright, Ontario, even though we are a very large North American-based organization, quality starts at the plant and goes right through to the fleet. And it's important to purchase a product and look for a product that has the API certification on it, which ours does, and is ISO 22241 compliant. And it's important to deal with companies like ours that monitor the product all the way through the system, that are large enough and have the ability to deliver all the way to the fleet from the plant. That's what we do at Terra Environmental Technologies. One of the most important aspects of this fluid is, as I said before, it is urea, but it's such a tightly managed spec. It is doable, and the technology is very, very embedded around the world and very successful, and it will be in Canada, but it's essential to protect the investment on the vehicle with quality fluid. If the quality is not there, then you're in jeopardy of having some issues with the SCR system and the catalyst in the system. But as I said, it's not to scare anybody, but you should look as a fleet owner or anybody who's purchasing trucks and the driver of a truck to look for the product with the seal of approval like TerraCare.
Some very good advice there. Now, you also have some good relationships with some of the OEs in the industry. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, we started 5 years ago, well ahead of this technology coming in, working with the OEs. And so we have signed agreements with Ford, General Motors, Daimler Trucks North America, which includes Freightliner, Western Star, and the Detroit Diesel Organization, Volvo and Mack and Hino. We basically have worked with these organizations on the technology, and the reason that they work with us is the quality aspect of the product. They do know too, when they work with us, they're dealing with the producer. And if there was to be a problem with the product, we can reach right back in the system and clean up any issues. Not that there would be, but we have strong relationships with them, and we are working with their dealer networks to educate the industry and educate the fleets and the drivers as to the quality of the product itself and availability of the product.
Speaking of educating the industry, speaking of the availability of the product, one of the concerns over the last couple of years or so as people have come to know more about using DEF, one of the concerns has been availability. Are they going to be able to get it in remote areas? Is that a valid concern?
Today, I think that the industry is moving so quickly. This product, though it is a very specific quality of urea is widely available in North America. So the core starting point is not a hurdle. It's not like Henry Ford, who invented an automobile and then had to find all the fluids to go on board.
Yeah.
The distribution system is there. We've built a distribution system across Canada. We use a company called Brentag North America, and we also use fuel oil jobbers across the country to move the fluid. The availability is growing. You look at this show today, if you take shots around this booth here, you'll see that there are lots of players entering. There are competitors of ours entering, and there will be a robust distribution system both in Canada and the United States. Availability is going to grow, and it's today you can find the product in virtually every province, and if anybody wanted to get in contact with us, we certainly would find availability for them across.
John, thank you very much.
Thank you.